Welcome back. Noted sports attorney Dr. Emmer Crown says video footage submitted into evidence helped in the dismissal of the whereabouts anti-doping violation charge that was brought against World 400-meter champion Salwa Eid Naser of Bahrain. Denise Walters reports.
Crown, attorney for 22-year-old Salwa Eid Naser, speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Tuesday, said he had trouble understanding the issue surrounding the confusion caused by the doping officer mistaking Naser's apartment. In a 15-page report from the tribunal, it was stated that drug tester Enrique Martinez was looking for flat 11 in Naser's apartment building and found two doors close to one another. Crown revealed that he asked Naser to provide video footage of the building's setup, which was submitted into evidence.
Even that part wasn't clear to me until we asked Salwa Naser to actually take her phone, go outside, and just take a video of outside the building. It is tough to sort of visualize it, but she did take a video, and I think that video is what helped because we submitted that video into evidence in the hearing.
The four failures cited by the AIU included a filing failure on March 16, 2019, and three missed tests on March 12 and April 12 of 2019 and January 24 of this year. But the disciplinary tribunal ruled that the one on April 12, 2019 cannot be confirmed as a missed test by the athlete.
That is what the case primarily dealt with, is that doping control officer's evidence and whether they made, quote-unquote, a reasonable testing attempt. And the panel, on hearing the evidence, found that it was not a reasonable testing, and therefore that alleged failure could not be attributable to her, and then all of the violations fall away then.
Crown notes that the March 16 missed test was a filing failure and not another whereabouts violation.
Filing failure doesn't count on the March 16th. It is effectively backdated to the start of that quarter. So that filing failure was deemed to be effective January 1. And then there's a missed test of March 12 and a missed test of April 12. And we didn't contest the March 12th one. So whatever that evidence was, we didn't even dig into that. All we had attacked was the April 12th one and then the January 24 one this year.
Meanwhile, the tribunal also reported problems with the online whereabouts system Adams, and it said that Naser had never managed to log on to Adams, let alone submit her whereabouts information. Crown admitted that Naser was lucky, as the filings of her whereabouts are her responsibilities, similar to athletes being held accountable for what goes in their bodies. Naser won World Championship gold in the 400 meters in 2019, clocking 48.14 seconds, the fastest time since 1985. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.